everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious Pav Bhaji recipe. Very famous in India. It's a street style. I'm going to show you step by step, and it's very easy to make, and it's a delicious recipe. Pav Bhaji. Without pav there is no Pav Bhaji. So we need a pav. These are fresh pav, Hawaiian sweet rolls, and these are the pavs I'm going to use with our Pav Bhaji. Please follow through the steps I'm going to show you, and you will achieve the same consistency what I'm gonna get. So let's start it with the ingredients. 1 onion, 2 tablespoons butter, ginger, garlic, green chili, 1 teaspoon each. The second step will be 2 medium-sized boiled potatoes, 1/4 cup sweet peas, half bell pepper, and I'm using red color. You can use any color. 3 tomatoes, 1 teaspoon salt. Salt is always according to taste. The water as we needed. Cilantro, dhania, 1 teaspoon chili powder. This is Pav Bhaji Masala. 2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, Kasoori Methi, fenugreek leaves, 1 teaspoon. And the last step will bring the taste to our Pav Bhaji recipe. Half finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon ginger, 2 teaspoon fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon butter, Kasoori Methi, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon chili powder, and Pav Bhaji Masala, 1 teaspoon. And let's start making our delicious Pav Bhaji. Get a fry pan and start gas. Add butter. As butter started to melt, add garlic, add ginger, green chili. Cook until the garlicky flavor goes away. Add onion. Mix it well. As soon as the onions are getting transparent, add potatoes, add tomatoes, peas, capsicum, and salt. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cook it for 2 minutes. So keep it moving so it won't get burned. Cooking for 2 minutes. Tomatoes are getting tender. Get the masher, and we're going to mash the potatoes really well along with peas, and bring the gas to medium. So keep mashing. Once all the potatoes are nicely mashed, this is how it looks. Add 1 cup water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. The water started to boil. Open it. Mix it well. Bring gas to medium. Add all the spices, chili powder, Pav Bhaji Masala, turmeric powder, Kasoori Methi, cilantro. Mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined, mash it again. So keep mashing. Once it's nicely mashed, bring the gas to low, cover with the lid, and cook it for 10 minutes. On medium-low gas, cooking for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, I opened it and I stir it. And now I'm going to open it again. Mix it well. Get a masher again, and we're going to mash it. So keep mashing. Once it's nicely mashed, this is nicely done. Once you nicely scrape it from the side, bring the masala on the side, bring butter. Bring the gas to medium. As the butter started to melt, add onion, ginger, add Pav Bhaji Masala, chili powder, Kasoori Methi, cilantro, dhania. This is strictly optional. Small amount of food color. Mix it well. Cook it for 1 minute. Add lemon juice. Keep it onion and ginger fresh. You only cook it for 1 minute, and this is the freshness going to bring a taste into our pav bhaji. Cooking for another minute, altogether cooking for 2 minutes. Bring the gas to low, mix it well. We added food color, which is strictly optional. If you want to skip it, that part you can skip it. But it just brings the nice color. I'll add quarter cup water. Bring the gas to medium and mix it well. Initially we added 1 cup water, and now we added quarter cup more. So after mixing it well on medium gas, cover with the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes of cooking. Now I'm going to open it, mix it well. This is the texture what we are looking for. It's all ready. Bring the bhaji on the side, just like this. And we're going to prepare our pav. Add small amount of butter. As the butter started to melt, bring the gas to medium. A pinch chili powder, Bhaji Masala, small amount of Kasoori Methi, cilantro. Mix it well. As it nicely cooked, spread it all the way like this. Get a pav cut right in the middle, just like this. Cut it halfway, then put it right on top of that butter. The buttery flavor. And this is all ready. Turn off the gas. When you are serving it, if you have a thali, our pav is ready, and this is perfect. And let me share with you. Good amount of butter. In Indian cooking, we love butter. Look at this. You get the pav and you eat it and you enjoy it. And this is super delicious. Very tasty. It's very tasty and delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and bye-bye.